Hello moneymakers, welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you some of the best free ways to make money online by using paid survey sites and get paid to do stuff online like small tasks, or they call it gigs or micro jobs. And here I am at Reddit. This is their beer money subreddit. So here's one of the topics that I really like to read about. Who paid you this month? Earning reports, where everybody come and share how much they've made at what sites, just to see which ones are paying and how people are doing. So let's take a look. So we have here somebody making $150 this month. So Swagbucks is always on there. Everyone's using Swagbucks. And other sites like Cloud Collab, I've never heard of, and Crowd Tap, $60. So you can go through here. I'll leave the link below and check out the ones that are paying out a lot, and you can sign up. Pretty much all of them are free to sign up anyways. And there are people actually making over $1,000 just doing various gigs and surveys. So here we have another one, over $138 or euros. And again, Swagbucks, it's always on there. It's a well-established survey company. Another one, $20 for Swagbucks. And Mechanical Turk is also quite popular with a lot of people. This is an Amazon gig service, mostly a bunch of clicking and data entry kind of things, but it's pays out quite a bit. Mechanical Turk. So this person is making over 300 last 30 days. This guy's doing okay, 90. This guy's doing it like a full-time job right here. He's very organized. He's got the last 3 months. And look at this, Mechanical Turk. He made almost $1,000 in February, and then $350, $300 for the other month. So this guy made over $1,000 in February, and now $600, $700. So he's doing quite well. It's very realistic to make a decent amount of money. Let's see if there's anybody making pretty crazy money. So far 1,000. The guy making $1,000 was the highest. Mostly anybody with a table like this, they're serious about making money for sure. And this one's very organized. So we have here D Scout. He's made almost 500 from D Scout. I never heard of that one either. So that's something you guys might want to check out. On this one, User Testing. Never heard of that one either. 2,400, and he's making 500, 800, almost $1,000 right here. And he's making monthly 1,500 so far monthly, and total he's made 5,500, which is a lot. So this guy made U-Test, made 1,420 in the last 30 days. So it's definitely realistic. Just gotta spend some time. So alright, so there you have it. I hope you found some inspiration and some new ideas about some new survey sites and get paid to sites to check out. I'll leave the link to this Reddit post here. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and I'll be sure to provide some more posts about making money online, tips, tricks, and tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster. Thanks again, and happy money making.